Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to install Bumblebee. So Bumblebee is an application used to control the graphics card in OpenSuse Tumbleweed. So if you got Nvidia card, if you got additional graphics card, so you can use Bumblebee to switch between the two cards. So Bumblebee works for the older laptops, so it will not work for the latest graphic cards. Bumblebee will work with the BBS switch. So BBS switch is not going to work for the SUSE Prime method. So in SUSE Prime method, the BBS switch dash KMP this package won't install. So when you try to install the SUSE Prime, then at that time it will show that BBS switch dash KMP application or the package is not found. So it will just install the SUSE Prime only. Whereas when you install the Bumblebee, it will show you that this BBS switch KMP package is available. So I'll just show you. So for installing the Bumblebee, you have to issue this command sudo zyper sc. Sc means search, in means install, and rm means remove. So sudo zyper sc Bumblebee. Here you can see it is refreshing the service because I already installed the Nvidia card. So Nvidia driver and everything was set, and OpenSuse repos were updated, and here you can see all the Bumblebee related application packages were available. So then I issued the next command sudo zyper in Bumblebee. So here you can see the BBS switch application package as well as the BBS switch KMP default package is available. So this is what I told you. When you try to install the SUSE Prime, this package, it will show it is not available. I don't know how they have done the dependencies and whether really this package is useful for the SUSE Prime, that also I don't know, but this is what I have observed and I am sharing with you. So 7 packages are going to get installed to satisfy the requirements of Bumblebee. So after this installation is done, you have to reboot, and in the later videos I will show you how to use Bumblebee, because you see in my laptop Bumblebee does not work, so I cannot show you how the Bumblebee can be used to change between the two graphic cards. And once this Bumblebee is installed, if the Novue driver, that is the open source drivers of Nvidia cards are not blacklisted, then you have to go and blacklist those cards in the blacklist.configuration file. So it is this message is given here. You have to follow this strictly, and once everything is complete, you have to reboot, and then you can start using the Bumblebee for the older laptops, and you can switch between the two graphic cards at your will. So now I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.